If you've ever struggled to get the thinnest eyeliner ever, especially if you've got hooded eyes, I've got the answer for you. In today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you some tools that you might be missing in your makeup collection. So if you're ready, let's get into today's video. The most important step is to conceal all the darkness on our eyes, and I'm using the Trini London Just a Touch in the shade Santa with the Jessup brush, and I'm going to be applying this all over the lid. I want my eyelids to be blurred to an extent, so I'm going to be using this powder by Milani in the shade Translucent. And I'm going to be applying it in a particular way. Take your brush and just apply it where you're not going to be applying the eyeliner. Now you may have come across these brushes. They are the usual eyeliner brushes that have been sold to us by many companies. But these do not necessarily work. That's because they can be a bit fat and won't give you the precise eyeliner look that you're after. Instead, I go in for a paintbrush, and this is available on Amazon. It's all linked in the description. And now with my Inglot gel eyeliner, I'm going to be using this paintbrush to apply my eyeliner. You can start with the wing or from the inner corner. That's not a problem at all. You want to apply this close to the lash line as possible. You can build up the color too. And now just see how easy it is to create that wing. If you've got hooded eyes, this tool will be a blessing for you. There you go, that's the wing done. And now I'm just filling it in with the eyeliner. You can apply this to the inner corner for that elongated look. And also you can apply it to the lower lash line. Now with my Bobbi Brown Kajal pencil, which is in the shade black, I'm going to be applying that on the lower lash line as normal. Don't forget to tightline the upper lash line for more intensity. Now go in with your concealer. And with another paintbrush, which is also linked in the description, let's clean out that wing and make it even more thin. Applying concealer has never been so easy. And now with any buffing brush, just blend that out precisely onto the rest of the skin. To get a seamless blend, let's apply some of that onto the lower lash line as well. Keep it slightly under because you don't want to smudge the eyeliner. Curl your lashes. Apply your favorite lengthening mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Panorama mascara for this tutorial. And take your time while applying the mascara. You want to make sure your lashes are all separated out. Look at how fanned out my lashes are looking already. And there you have it, guys. This was the easiest thin eyeliner look you can ever do on hooded eyes. You will never go wrong. And if you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. See you guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.